Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video for you. If you're looking for fixing the issue for the LEVOIT air purifier, I just found this comment and I hope it's going to be beneficial to you. So this guy just wrote here that it's a power supply issue. If you know how to solder, there are two capacitors, 16V 470 UF, that need to be changed out, and I replaced mine with 32V 470 UF and it works fine now. So this is something that you can try, and there is also a video how you can do it, a capacitor replacement tutorial, where a person is showing like step by step. You can just write it on YouTube how to do it, and you can possibly like fix it by yourself if you're just gonna little bit play with it. Maybe if you know, if you're like a little bit technical, but if you don't want to throw it out, just find it somewhere on the Amazon, right? And you can then just check and just buy it and then also try to change it. Maybe it's going to work out. I'm just throwing out ideas that possibly this is going to fix the issue for you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.